Kiroko kia umuthi maabithaa kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC ni mahithukiire micii ya uria wari gavana wa Kakamega WYCLIFF Oparanya na gwika firigiceni ya gwethana na wira wa kumukuruhania na uhuthiri moru wa indo cia muingi riria ari gavana. Hindi ya firigiceni ino maabithaa EACC ni mahotire kuona maratathi ma bata undu umwe na kompyuta iria maugite ni ikumateithĩrĩria gukinyaniria uthuthuria uria Oparanya egunire na indo cia muingi riria ari gavana na thutha ucio mamuikia ngono hamwe na atumia ake eri na kumuhunga mahuri giikaro-ini kinene kia EACC kuria matinda miaraho yothe mbere ya gucoka kurekererio mathaa-ini ma hwaini. Kuringana na ndumiriri erekereirio ni munini wa murugamiriri munene wa EACC Abdi Mohamud, Oparanya arekwirwo gwikuruhania na ATUMIA makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1.3 riria ari gavana na iria kurekwirwo ahuthirire atumia ake eri hamwe na athiriti ake a hakuhi kubora kaunti ya Kakamega. Ona kuri uguo Oparanya ni akanite ni eguikitio ngono akiuga we niwe witwarire wabici-ini cia EACC thutha wa micii yake guku Nairobi na Butere kaunti-ini ya Kakamega gwikwo firigiceni. Oparanya ni ongereire kuga aragagio ni thirikari ni undu wa murugamo wake wa giuteti.
Obviously this is political, and you can see that I have been in the county for 10 years. No EACC came to my office even one day. And I have been away one year since I left governorship. Nobody came my way on any investigation. I was Minister for Planning. Nobody came to my office for any investigation. So I would wonder why, when I have retired, that someone is coming to ask me about 2013, 2014.
Ihinda-ini riu atongoria kuma gitaro gia ithuiro ria bururi matongoretio ni seneta wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna ni makumithitie guikio ngono kwa Oparanya makiuga thirikari irongoreirie kuhingica muingi wa Western mbere ya icera ria President William Ruto gitaro-ini kiu muthia-ini wa kiumia giki.
This is all a political witch hunt and we know it. That is the only reason why you would deny access to counsel who is here specifically to see his clients. Otherwise, we don't see any other reason why. And we want to tell the president, don't be a coward, bwana. Don't be a coward. Go to the people and tell them, kazi imekushinda. They will forgive you. But now you start arresting their leaders, surely. What sort of politics is this that we're playing?
We know there is a plan. We know there is a plan to try and intimidate leaders who are around Raila Amolo Odinga, so that to weaken Raila Amolo Odinga. But I want to tell those behind this scheme that you are making us stronger.
They are basically turning the country into a police state. They are taking the country back to the dark old days of dictatorship.
Thiini wa ndumiriri ya EACC yugite kamiti iyo ni irathie na mbere na uthuthuria wa ngukumio thirikari ni itiganite cia county na wona uthuthuria ucio wari kabairo icio ni ikunengerana kuri mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi niguo aria mari na mahitia mahinguriro thitango na oho matunywo kiria mundu augumitie. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.